Hello everybody, I'm AustinEndO here, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the highest paying URL shorteners on the internet, guys. So this is the link I'll be providing in the description below. So when you will be clicking on the link, guys, make sure you click on sign up and sign up your account by putting your username, email and password, and just enter your password, and make sure to take over here and just click on register. So after you register yourself, guys, make sure I'll also show you the payout rates over here, guys. It is really interesting of payout rates. There are pop-up ads, some pop-up ads, extra rates over here, and banner ads which have $4.2 in India. Where is it? Yeah, there you go, $4.2. So which is really very good, guys. And after you sign up, guys, I'll just show you my dashboard over here. It will be this will be somewhat of your dashboard. So if you want to create a new shortener link, there's the arrow over here, just click on there, put your URL over here, put the alias if you want, and domain, make sure that you click on this first one. I don't know what is the second one. I also tried it personally and I didn't encounter any adult ads over here. And also, guys, this is really safe for YouTubers, so yes, guys, no issues on that. But I would suggest using the first domain. I don't know about the second. I have used the second domain personally, but I didn't encounter any adult ads, but I would suggest using the first one. So after you just shorten your ads, I'll just show you. I've just shortened this ad over here, so I'll just show you and prove you that there are no adult ads in this website. So just click on I'm not a robot over here, just click on, and any new tab comes on, guys, just close it. Anything will happen, the destination page will come on this same particular tab. If any new tab comes, pop-outs, just close the new tab. Okay, so afterwards again get on click link and new tab, just close it, and there you go, guys. You have directed to your destination page. So I hope guys, you have liked this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I'll take my leave now, guys. I'm AustinEndO here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, everybody.